Alrighty. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? How are we doing? How we doing? All right, so we had a good little pullback here. Um, where's ES? Okay, so ES is actually a lot weaker than NQ. Remember that level we talked about this morning? 69.08. Close below that. We shift bearish. Notice what happened, right? Close below 69.08. What happened? We saw this move. So we're pretty much bearish as long as we remain below. What was this level? This level based on? Don't remember what this level is based on. I don't know. All right, so we shift bullish if we close above 68.86. If we can do that on the 5 minute, we shift bullish. We pretty much just got the retest of midnight open. Now we want to see if buyers actually want to step in and hold this level up, and pretty much we start to support bullish price action. If we do, I guess we'll take longs. The daily is still technically bullish. Hourly is currently bullish. In order to take puts, what would I need to see? 3 minutes, currently retesting that bearish range. 1 minute, I guess I would have to see it close back below 68.81 to really go short. And even for the short, it'd really be a scalp, but fuck it. Why not? So far, rejecting this 3 minute and 5 minute range. We'll see what we want to do. New buyers step in, new sellers step in. We will see. Time will tell. Hopefully, they make a decision pretty soon. Last week, we've had some very boring, I would say, power hours. And we had a very uneventful power hour as well. But yeah, I just hope we actually have good price action and not chopping, doing something. That's also the main reason why I'm gonna take puts. It's kind of like, hey, screw it, I'll scalp it. The better risk to reward is to the long side. Like if we actually do shift back bullish, a lot of money to be made on the upside. Like we could easily get like a 300, 400% gain to the upside. That's if buyers are really here. Downside, not really sure how much lower we could go. We have room to go, but I don't know how much. We'll see. All right, watching puts. Let's see. What do we have? 3 minutes left for this to close. Watching SPX puts. We'll actually put up Thinkorswim. Let's go jump in some puts here. SPX. Fuck, slow down for me. Slow down, slow down. 6850 puts. All right, watching SPX 6850 puts. These 6850, 6850. I don't want to start a starter. Let me see. Let's see. We got 15 seconds. All right, I'm filled here on my personal as well. Pretty much look to trim one at that low. NQ or ES, somebody should take it out. I expect it to do it very rapidly too. Pretty much we just want to see price remain below 68.82. We are like 20% already. All right, we're trimming some. Just got filled here at 3.2. All right, something should take out this low. Somebody should go down, push down, take out this low here. Sorry, not talking as much. Kind of eating, but we all should be eating right now. Everybody should be eating. Everybody should be making money. You're very welcome. Everybody should be fucking eating. Everybody. I got a limit at 4. I got a limit at 4.0 to trim. 4.0. What's NQ doing? Nobody took out the low. Low pullback. Like I said, as long as we remain below 82, we see more downside right now. We close above it. We could chop and basically lose all the value. I want price action to sweep this. All right, cool. How we doing? Everybody making money? Yeah. I'm not watching ES. I'm watching, or I'm not watching SPY. I'm watching ES. But limit did get filled at 4. Limit got filled at 4. And then close one of these. Now we'll see how far we want to go from here. How much lower do you want to go in Q? Or no, this is ES, not in Q. Not a good look. Not gonna lie. We close back above 68.76. We're going all the way back up here. Everybody made some money. Everybody should have got their limits filled at 4 as well. Everybody printed. Everybody filled. Thanks, thanks, thanks. Let's go. You're goaded. Thanks for these. You're very welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new here, yeah, we do this every day at 3 o'clock. Welcome, welcome, welcome. See some new faces, names I haven't seen before. New here and learning. Love it, love it. Y'all are all very, very welcome. Very, very welcome. Like I said, if it closes above this, um, these are worthless. We're just gonna go too hard against this. So yes, when you're trading SPX at the end of the day, let me close these last. How many contracts I have left? I got 2 contracts left. 2 contracts left. Not a bad day. We're up like what, 580 bucks. Honest day's work. Still got 2 contracts left. We'll see. Um, Same thing. As long as we stay below 82, 68, 82. Pretty much we see more downside. However, that 3-minute close is very suspicious. Very suspicious. Um, if we close above this, we likely will flip back bullish. So like if we close back above 68, 77, we yeah, likely will flip back bullish. We can close back below 68, 76. We see more downside. So pretty much this 3-minute candle is going to tell us everything that's going to happen within the next roughly 6 to 9 minutes. We just got to be patient here. And if this 2-minute can close below 68.75, we're going to see a lot more downside. If the 2-minute can close below that range. So we still have a minute left in this candle. But I mean, so far you still are up 39%. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if we want to push lower. Like I said, if we close below 68.76, we're going to see a lot more downside. Thank you. Good stuff. New hair. Will you be taking any new trades? Um, hmm. What do you guys want? You guys want scalping me? I can scalp. Like I'm very good at scalping. You guys want me to scalp? If you want me to scalp, I'll scalp. We can take another trade. This high key, there's another setup right now. Yeah, there's a brand new setup. Like right now. Like right now. I'm just gonna hold on to my puts. I'll take this on the prop firms. Sure. I'll take it on the prop firms. Um, you guys really want to trade? We could trade. 60. Damn, I'm probably too late. I'm probably too late already. Yeah, probably too late already. Damn. Yeah, I was about to get in some puts, but I wasn't quick enough. Let's see. Like if we pull back to 68.76, it's actually a really clean setup to jump back into puts. Very low risk, high reward. No divergence between the two indices just yet. Um, let's see if we can get a retest of this range on the 1 minute or not. Pretty much want to see a retest of 68.76 and then a strong rejection of that range. If we can do that, pretty much we'll jump in some 68.45 puts. We still have our 68.50 puts that are currently up 39%. But yeah, seems like you guys want another trade. I see some new people coming in, so I'll give you guys another trade. All right, I need to see some strong rejection here right now because I'm not seeing the rejection. All right, pretty much we just need this candle to close red. If it closes red, we jump in. Like this candle has to close red on the 1 minute time frame. So far, it's not looking like it wants to close red, but we'll see. 4 seconds, 2 seconds. Alrighty, that is not a good look. We're not necessarily bullish just yet. Like I said, we still got to close above 68.77. But now we do have some type of confirmation to actually shift bearish. So if we are going to go back bearish, we need to see a close below 68.75. If we can get that close, we'll jump some puts on a 1 minute time frame. We'll see. Time will tell. I don't remember what this level was based on. Oh, the 3 minute. I'll scout for y'all. When it comes to scalping, just take your money, make your money, take your money. You're likely gonna get like 50% in a matter of a 1 minute candle. Um, take it. No point in being greedy. All right, so we didn't get the close, but we kind of got the close. But we didn't get the close, but we kind of got the close. So I want to jump in these early. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait this 20 seconds out. I need to see a clean close on a 1 minute time frame below 68.75. We can get that, I'll jump in. So far, being patient is rewarding. Because if we jump the gun, we'd already be down like 70. No, not 70. We'd be down like 40% already. One more green candle or push up, and yeah, we'd be down like 50% already. Yeah. Patience. And the fact is that we're just like chopping. So whenever you have a level, like a very important key level, right? And you notice that the market's like high key respecting it, like rejecting the call trigger or rejecting the put trigger. Um, that's like the market telling you that the levels you have marked out are good levels, and the trade's essentially gonna work out once it breaks out. You kind of just gotta be patient. All right, we just got the close. High key. I'll jump in here. I'll jump in here. I'll take two contracts. Let's take two contracts. Two contracts for y'all. What time is it? Oh, this is such an ugly trade. Just because a new 30-minute candle is about to open. Basically, when a new 30-minute candle opens, price action likes to basically consolidate before making a move. Kind of like how we're currently doing it, but we'll see. But if we can get a full body close below 74.50, um, eight eight puts, safe to say, 8-bit. This shit looks like it wants to rocket. Not gonna lie, but we'll see. Like based on this current price action on a 1 minute time frame, it's not good. Not good. And we just got that new 30-minute candle. Like we break 68.77. We're gonna moon. And you can honestly just tell based on the price action. Like notice how we're rejecting this range. Notice how we're rejecting this range. See what I mean? Like we're high key by the moon. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and close these here. Close those there. And get ready to flip and go long. Those projects are worthless. 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 Oh, this is such a shitty fill. Oh, this is a shitty thing to do. Like buying up here is such a shitty thing to do. I can only take one contract. I can only stomach like for the risk management for this account. We already took a loss. So let me get on my personal here. High key, if we get a bigger pullback, I'm gonna jump in some longs, like a real position. One contract. I kind of don't care about. This is more so like a testing position, just to kind of get a feel for the price action, I guess. All right, so we closed exactly at 82. 82 is the next important level to pretty much get a close above if we are going to shift back bullish. Well, it's not the fact is if we're gonna shift back bullish or not. Um, it's the fact is are we gonna run before the 350 algo or not, basically. Because recently we haven't been doing that. Like price action has been like stalling until the 350 algo. Like I said, only got one contract. Just because if this doesn't want to pull all the way back here, technically it's still bullish. Even if we come all the way down here, the contracts will be worthless. But price action technically has not shifted back bearish. And we will not shift back bearish based on the lower time frames until we get a close below 68.7450. So like an actual good retest would be 68.77. That's kind of where I actually want to be long. Like me getting in now is more so me not wanting the trade to run without me, because it's definitely possible. Something 9:30 out the gate, and pretty much at the end of the day, oftentimes when your like setup gives you confirmation, price does not care to pull back. Like majority of the time, it's actually not gonna pull back. And I low-key feel like this might be one of those instances where price just doesn't want to pull back. Or you have 20%. What are we at? 1.9. Let's see. Let's see what price action wants to do. What does price action want to do? Well, technically, you hit PT1. I would high key trim some here. Like high key. Like high key. All right, so now we have relative equal highs, which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing at all. So if we can actually close above those relative equal highs, we're gonna moon. My thing is, I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna chop. Like if we don't continuously push up like right now, we're gonna chop for the next like 10 minutes until the 350 algo kicks in. It's kind of what it's setting up to do. If we don't break those relative equal highs. Yep, 35%. Stick a trim here at 3.6. Um, you guys said you want me to scalp. Told you I'm pretty damn good at scalping. I'm actually really, really good at scalping. Like, probably better scalping than anything. I'd say scalping and swing trading. What you guys want another? You guys want another scalp? I could do this all day. Like if you guys are willing to actually be disciplined and trim for like 40%, I could scalp all day. Really, I could scalp all day. It's just the fact is of you guys got to be disciplined and actually take profits. Yes, yes, scalping, yes. Lost at the morning and get back in the afternoon. Let's go. Let's go, Kenny. Yeah, Jack, I don't want your service. Hey, hey, Jack. I'm okay on the course for now, man. I'm okay right now, bro. Yes, sir. I'll be in contact with you. Thank you so much, Jack. Take care and have a blessed rest of your day. You too, Damon. Bye bye. This man is trying to sell me a course on building courses. And funny enough, he has a very, 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 very successful company doing so. Very successful. Like uh they have an office building. Um like probably like a about like a $10 million office building. Like no joke. Off of selling courses or teaching people how to sell courses. And I guess when you call people every single other week, seeing if they still are interested in your program, you're gonna close a lot of sales. Just being annoying. But yeah, right now we need to see a close above 888. We can do that. We push higher. If not, back down we go. But yeah, everybody should have at least gotten like a 50% trim, at the very least. 50% trimmed. What time do you start trading? So I start trading at like live trading wise, I'm guessing. Is that what you're referring to? Yes, no, maybe so. Suarez, 1985, talking to you. But if you're I'm gonna assume you're thinking live trading. But that's at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Eastern. Yep, 10 a.m. Eastern right here on YouTube. So make sure to turn on notifications. If you're new here, Make sure to hit that subscribe, turn on notifications. You're up 71%. Oh no, what did I just do? No, I did not mean to open Apple TV. You're up 100% here. All right. You're welcome, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome. You're welcome. We do this every day. Every day. Biometrics. Log me with the biometrics, man. Log me with the biometrics. Let me get the hell out of here. Um, I got one runner left. One runner. One single runner left. We did recoup our losses. And this is another thing. It's like I don't care to lose a trade, and technically it wasn't losing because we had runners. Um, but yeah, like I don't care to lose a trade because when my edge stops me out, it means reverse your position. Like, and probably your edge too. Like most edges, that's what it means. Like if you are like actually trading based on a strategy and you know your stop losses are based on the charts, if the market invalidates your idea, right? By like closing above your level or below your level, you know, or like flipping resistance to support or something of that nature, right? Flip your position. Like that's it. That's all you gotta do. Flip your position and you now have a winning trade to the point to where you just made up all of your losses. Like your losses will never affect you. Like that's why I don't care about losses. I genuinely don't. Like I could close this out right now and then boom. Hey, all the losses from that stop out wiped away. Clean. Right? And that's how you should be trading. Like you should have a strategy like that that pretty much if you get stopped out, reverse your position. And you're right. Is there a Discord to follow these? Another scalp? Alice, you want another scalp? Another one? They have 186%. uh, up 200%. 250%. You gotta exit that call. It's not time yet. It's not time yet. It's not time yet. It's at 3:59 and 59 seconds. I gotta get the hell out of here. But you're up 300% right now. Damn near. And you see what I said? You see why I was so like had such a tight stop loss? Because it's just like, hey, if we break that level, it's gonna fucking rocket, right? Go back, rewatch the live. I called it. I said if we break that call trick, it's gonna rocket. Get the hell out of puts. And what happened once we broke above that level? freaking blast off, right? Blast off to the moon. To the freaking moon. You got a Discord to follow these? Yes, I do. Join at ZeusTrades.com. There's a link. ZeusTrades.com. So right now, pretty much, we've closed above all the levels that we needed to. Next PT would be 6901. That is likely going to come with the 350 algo, which is probably going to take these calls up 500%. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see, let's see. These calls could easily go like 500%. Should probably close this, low-key. I have a very, 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 very tight stop loss. At least for this account. Like I still got one contract on my personal. All right, let's see, let's see, let's see. What do you want to do? Give me, give me 6902. Can you give it to us? No? Yes, maybe? Not looking too good right now. The fact is that we're still stalling right here. Not looking too hot. Like if I see a single bearish PO or bullish POI not get supported on the 15-second time frame, I'm out. So far so good though. I think we hit it. We should hit our PT. Yep, 450%. Let's see. Can we hit TP? Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be 500%. We can take out this 6902 level. The very least is we hit this level 6901 before close. Like that's the very least. Very, very least. But my very least is every bearish POY we create, I'm walking stops up. So it's like we close below one of these bullish POIs on a 15-second. I'm out. It's been a good run. Or at least I'm out on this. Because I could actually just let Thinkorswim cancel the trade out. On this account, I can't. But yeah, my personal, I could. Let it run till 4 o'clock and see what the market wants to give us. All right. Kind of just stalling out. I expect us to the very least test the bottom of this range. If we don't, that's great. Like, that's awesome if we don't. Actually, really good if we don't. Hopefully, we keep pushing up. Give us 6902. Give us the 500%. And, yeah, you can do it. 6902. There we go. 502%. Something's telling me this shit goes past it. Yeah. Seeing close to 600%. I hope I'm not being too greedy now. I think I am. We'll see. All right, we high key need to see it close above 6902. $602%. All right, we close it. All right. And for the people, and I purposely did that with that one account, that one contract, just to show people when you only have one contract, that's how you trade. I think Noah, if you're here, one of my mentees this morning asked, like, he's like, hey, when I take a trade, I don't have a big enough position size so that when you trim, he ends up trimming everything. Notice how I'm telling you guys when to trim, but also able to just hold one contract, a single contract, right? For close to 700%. That's how you do it. Just follow price action. Literally, focus on price action. If you can do that, you can take one single contract, right? And do the same thing. And you see why I didn't trim? Whoever told me to trim, I'm glad I didn't. Patience, trust your system, trust your strategy. We're gonna keep pushing higher. We're gonna go take out that other buy side liquidity. Anybody have any questions? We do this every day in the community at ZeusTrades.com. It's in chat somewhere. Should we sell Meta? Should we sell Meta? Yeah, we're only up 20%. But I do appreciate that. I am gonna actually close like four of these contracts. Yeah, I trimmed that up. I do this every day at 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern time. Can we go puts? Did you go puts? Because you probably would have printed if you did. But yeah, check me out. Join the community. We'd love to have you. And honestly, if you're needing help with anything trading related, join the community. We're here to help. Somebody will help you if I don't help you myself. So yeah, ZeusTrades.com. And also, I will be sending out a message later today about optionsfunding.com. Option funding, not options funding. Optionfunding.com. Essentially a options prop firm. So be on the lookout for that. I do need testers. So if you want to be a tester, just shoot me a DM, I guess. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Hope everybody made some money. I know you guys made some money actually. If you're in the community already, please post some gains. If you're not in the community, you only follow me on Twitter. At me on Twitter with the gains. Greatly appreciated. I'll see you guys later. Take care, everybody. Have a blessed one.